10 things you should never do after uploading a video on YouTube. Hey YouTube family, today I'm going to save you from making some huge mistakes that could potentially kill your channel growth. These are 10 things you should never do after uploading a video. I'm sure number 7 is the one most beginners get wrong, so stick to the very end. Number 1, never click publish and log off. Uploading your video is just one step. The first 24 hours of your video is very crucial, so stay active, reply to comments. In fact, if you have any other YouTube channel, use it to watch the video in the first 24 hours. You can use the account to drop comments, then you use the account you use in uploading. You use it in replying the comment. So stay active. That means you're telling the algorithm your video is valuable. Number 2, don't ignore your thumbnail. See, your thumbnail is your first impression. If it's bad or it's not looking okay, people are not going to click on your video. So if you are making a thumbnail, please make around 2 or 3, at least two thumbnail, so you can change it whenever you see that the thumbnail is not working out. Number 3, never forget to add your video to a playlist. This helps YouTube understand where to push your video, and it keeps people watching your videos one by one. You know, playlist equals to more watch hours, and more watch hours equals to growth. Number 4, don't skip pinning a comment. A pinned comment can lead your viewers to your next video, or you can actually tell them to subscribe to your channel. If you don't do this, you are missing golden opportunity to direct traffic to your channel. Number 5, never ignore your video analytics. Watch your CTR, your watch hours, your audience retention. You see, those numbers are not just there. They are there for you to improve, to check what's doing well and what's not doing well in your video. Check the number. Number 6, don't spam your link everywhere. You see, I know you're excited. You want to share your link, your videos to your family, your friends, your mom, everybody. You want them to watch it. You want to boost your watch hours. Please calm down. You know, those people you are sharing to, make sure they watch the whole video. If they cannot watch the full video, please don't ever share your links to people that will just click and drop off. It's going to kill your channel. Even if you are the one that wants to watch your video the first time, please watch the full video. That way, you are telling the YouTube algorithm that, yeah, there's something valuable in this content. And if you yourself, you click on the video and you peradventure you don't watch it, you are telling YouTube algorithm that even you cannot watch your own video. You see, that's bad. Number 7, never change your titles too many times. Yes, you can tweak it around like once or twice, but changing it too often, you are confusing the YouTube algorithm, and you know it's going to affect your channel. Just be strategic with it. Don't change it too often. You don't need it. Number 8, don't leave end screens empty. End screens are free promotions to your other video, and if you forget to add them, you're literally telling your viewers after watching this video, please get the F out of my channel, and you know it's not going to help you. So number 9, never ignore first commenters. See, first comments are gold, and if you reply fast, it will boost your engagement and tell YouTube, oh, this video is valuable. So that's why in this video I'll be subscribing to the first 100 people to subscribe to my channel. Give me a thumbs up and drop a comment below when you are done. So now, number 10, don't forget to share it to your community tab. This one is the easiest way to tell your subscribers, oh, I have a new video on my channel. Go and watch it. So there you go, 10 mistakes you should never do after uploading a video on your channel. And tell me, which one are you guilty of? Drop it in the comment section. And hey, if you found this video helpful, please give me a thumbs up, subscribe to my channel, and drop a comment below.